Hi guys, dogs are cool. I wanna go get a weapon and tell somebody to come. Hey Abby.
You can kill whoever you want.
Abby. But
Hi,
I need your help. I'll get a weapon for you. I'll get a gun for you.
Sub to Parker's channel. He just got a channel. He only has one sub, which is me. And his channel is called Dogs Are Cool. Sub to him.
Abby, I'm shooting somebody.
Oh. I catch her a grenade. Parker, come here.
I have a Nerf gun.
Parker, come here.
I'm gonna get a shark fin
Parker.
to get somebody. Hey! Who took that?
Parker, come here. I catch a grenade for you. Run! No, don't go towards. Oh, I said don't go towards.
I was trying to get him because he was getting me.
How dare he? Oh.
Kill him. Kill him. Kill him.
Oh my god.
Kill him because he was getting me.
Oh my god.
Kill him.
No.
Don't kill me.
No, I want to show you this hammer. Can I show you it? I
Don't
didn't even
kill
know
me.
how I got this. Oh my god, Parker, look.
I'll help you.
Parker, look at my dancing. Come here.
Oh, okay.
Parker, look at my dancing. Come to me. Look at my dancing.
I already saw it.
No, look at my dance.
Oh yeah, I know something cool. You know?
Wait, look at my dancing, Parker. I'm gonna catch your girl. Ah!
Abby, get him! Oh, Abby, he killed me. Kill him.
How dare him? How dare him? There you go. Oh no!
You got put it in the spot.
No, I know what to do.
Hammer
I
him.
know what to do.
How is he not dying?
I don't know.
Abby, I'm helping you. Oh, he's dead.
Okay, Parker.
Okay,
I
I'm
catch
gonna
a grenade for ya. Run!
Ah! Ah! I want to get a grenade for you.
No.
I'm gonna bomb you.
I was so.
I got a sword like
I have a
it.
blue sword. No. Oh, what happened?
You kill me.
Ow! I didn't touch you, dude.
I died.
What the heck is happening?
Oh
Oh no.
He's gonna kill us.
Oh no. Wait, dance pass.
Oh shoot. He's gonna kill me, Abby.
I will protect you. Die.
Blast him.
Die.
No. Get him.
I'm trying.
Get a grenade and bomb him up on his head.
There's only one thing we can do.
Hang on, let me help you, Abby.
Hold on.
I'm going to level one. I'm going to the first one, Abby.
I'd catch a grenade for ya. Ah! I'm frozen. Help!
Did you kill him?
He killed me.
Now I'm gonna kill him. Where is he?
Oh!
Abby, move.
I can't. I'm trying.
I'm trying to press him. I'm killing him. He's dying. I got him in the face.
Got him.
No, I got him, Abby.
No.
Oh no. Really? He killed me, Abby.
It's okay.
Can't move.
Ah, you can't. Reset. It's okay. Wait, no. I know what's happening. You're frozen in time. Oh God, you really are frozen in time. Oh no. Now you're dying.
They die.
I don't know.
No, Abby, kill him! Quick!
Oh God, my ear.
Kill him!
No.
Kill him!
I'm trying. I'm gonna do a bomb.
I'm dying.
Baba Yoda. Ah! No.
Did you die?
No, he killed me.
Okay, here's the plan. I'm gonna get a gun for you. Here. This is a gun for you, and a gun for me.
Oh, really? Hold on,
I get 2 guns.
We're done. Oh my gosh. Die! No! He got me! Avenge me!
Oh no.
Go.
I
I'll avenge you,
died.
Parker. I'll avenge you.
Kill him. Kill him in the face. Get a Star Wars sword.
Okay, hold on. I know what to do. I know. Wait, Parker, that's really powerful. Go to him. I think that's really powerful. I don't know.
Abby, it's
Parker,
killing me.
he's killing me. The thing's killing me. Oh my god.
Oh shoot. It's gonna get me. It's getting me, Abby.
That's to go others. Oh god. Oh, he's coming.
No, it's
after me.
killing me.
It's coming. Oh. I got a spaghetti meatball. Oh, I got a spaghetti meatball.
Somebody kill me, Abby.
I'll avenge you. Ah, what the heck was that?
I want to get a gun. For me. It's for me.
Sorry. I don't know. Dang it. You can do this, Parker.
Oh shoot. I'm running.
You running?
Oh, he's back. Abby! Kill him!
I'll avenge you.
With the black sword. It can black never die.
No, kill me.
I'll kill him for you. You want a piece of me? Well, come here.
Oh my gosh, this is nice.
Abby, move.
What is this? Oh my god.
Get him.
Attack.
I'm killing him. Attack him. Attack him quick. What is that? Abby?
I don't know.
Did you kill me?
I don't think so. That was him. Die.
Abby,
Die, boy. Die.
I'm getting a gun.
No. He's gonna kill me. Parker.
Oh, shoot.
Parker.
I'm killing him. I'm killing him.
Help.
Oh, no.
Bye,
Does he
guys.
has a power fan? Oh, shoot.
Bye,
Oh,
guys.
he
Hope
killed
you enjoyed
me.
the video. Remember to look in the description and sub to Parker. Bye.
Let's get out of here. Because he's killing us.
Say bye.
Bye.